Okay guys, now we will see what is oversampling in UART. हमें CR1 या फिर जिस भी रजिस्टर में मेंशन किया रहता है ओवर सैम्पलिंग बिट सेट करना रहता है. ओवर सैम्पलिंग इन द सेंस दे गिव अस ओवर सैम्पलिंग एक तो 8 का रखो या फिर 16 का रखो. नाउ वी विल लुक एट दिस व्हाट इज 8 और 16 इन UART मीन्स ओवर सैम्पलिंग. व्हाट इज ओवर सैम्पलिंग? Okay, let us see. As we know, what is baud rate? What is baud rate? There is one mechanism. It generates that how many beats should have to be go in per second. Suppose you are setting baud rate is equal to 9600. What it mean? It mean that 9600 bits. Okay, 9600 bits you are sending in 1 second. This is the meaning of our baud rate. So 9600 bits is going in 1 second. So one bit will take how many second, or we can say microsecond, that we have to find. If we calculate, then approximately 104 microsecond, okay, it will take to go 1 bit. Okay, now we will come back to our point. What is oversampling in UART? Okay, now let me plot the graph. Okay, suppose you are sending one, I am assuming that 4 bits 1011 you are sending. Okay, so now let me build the wait, suppose this is 1. Okay, this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be again 1. Okay, in this way, this is okay, this will be the 104 microsecond. This will be also 104 microsecond. Okay, this will be also 104 microsecond, and this will be also 104 microsecond. Okay, in this way each bit, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. In 104 microsecond each bit will be reached to the receiver from the transmitter. Okay, now we will come back to our topic, what is oversampling. So why we are using oversampling? Because suppose while this bit is transmitting, okay, means via electromagnetic waves it will be moved. When it is going through a medium, might be some effect might be happen on this wave, means some noise may be come. So we have to check it that it is means in proper way it came or not. So how to check it? If you are setting in your UART register oversampling rate 8, then let us zoom this part. Okay, so this part, what will happen with this part? Okay, I am talking about this thing happen with each bit, but I am just mentioning as one bit right now. Okay, if you are mentioning in oversampling 8, so 8 samples will be prepared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just like 8 sample will be prepared. And middle of this, okay, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4, 5, 6 will be took by our UART mechanism. And if these all 3 bits are 1, means at high level, then we will assume what the bit come, it is not noisy, it is not altered, it is okay, means we will assume that our this bit come, that is 1. For an example, if some noise come, okay, instead of such type of things, such type of things came. Okay, so what will happen if we go for sampling the things again? Okay, so let's sample it. 1, 2, 3. Suppose 8 samples are there. 7, 8. So might be this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be again 0, depend upon how you are assuming them. So if we get the value, this is 1. Now 4, 5, 6 I will take. So value will become 0, 0, 1. Means it is neither completely 1, neither completely 0. We want only 2 things. Either completely 0, either completely 1. This will be your perfect, that the bit is coming, that is not become noisy or not fluctuated. So if such type of data come, we say that in our status register, UART status register, our that error flag will be noise error flag will be set by the our MUP or UART mechanism. Okay, in this is the meaning of oversampling in UART. If you are right now 8 sampling will be here, now if 16, then such 16 sampling will be here, and whatever the middle 3 lines or whatever the mechanism, that will be get by the MUP, and then it will be understood that my bit is coming is altered or not altered. In such way we have to assume we have to configure oversampling in our UART. Okay, thank you.